Hi my friends, Catherine here, and I have an exciting video today of an unboxing. We're going to see this all together. So yesterday I went to the CK Scrapbook Convention and Expo in Charlotte, and I picked up this $49 in Market mystery box bundle. So it says it's a curated assortment of hand-picked products from $49 in Market, which I love their products, so I couldn't go wrong, right? And it's a $200 value, and I got it for $59. So I'm excited to try this, and I have not opened it. I wanted to open it on camera and share it with my friends. So this is my handy duty knife I always use to cut my boxes. Just seems like it's easier that way. Well, I said that too quick. Okay, and I have to keep looking to make sure this is recording properly because I can't do the unboxing again. All right. Ta-da! Oh, purple's my favorite color. Oh my gosh, there is so much in here. All right, let's start looking. So we have Blossom envelope bits right here. Oops, let's see. There we go. Very nice. And so this says Color Swatch Blossom. I'm going to put something together tomorrow. I'm going to use all of these and make a project and then come back on and show you what I made. Oh, look at these beautiful flowers. Beautiful flowers. Okay, we got this kind of purple and peach. Love these colors. Oh my goodness. We have got some film negatives. Aren't they awesome? So it said, and plum. Love purples and plums. Essential film strips and plum. I'm gonna make something fun. I don't know if I'll get something done tomorrow. I might not get it completed. I'm gonna try that. Then we have some Christmas spectacular ticketed ephemera. So a little ticket ephemera here. I mean, just looking at this, this is definitely $200 worth, I would say. Then we have Ocean 6x8 mini collection pack. So it's not actually, I thought it was going to be products that all go together for one project, but I kind of like this. I can get more than one project out of it. But I was envisioning it was going to be, you know, all the same project. More purple flowers, so pretty. And then we have set of 21 note cards with envelopes. Since this could be a pretty quick video, because right now this video all I'm going to do is the unboxing, so let me just go through some of these a little bit with you. Pretty stationery. Make a card out of this. Envelopes. Put that over here. And then what else could I could show you this a little bit better too. This is the Ocean 6x8 mini collection pack. And I just got a 6x9 album from Creative Memories. Oh my gosh, aren't these gorgeous? I am so into blues right now. I'm going to be doing a video of some new papers I just created for Denim and Diamonds, because a friend of mine and I went to a Denim and Diamonds event. And so like I've really been into blues lately. And I'll be sharing all that probably next week or maybe the week after, but very soon. Okay, we've got washi tape. Who doesn't love washi tape? So let's look and see what we've got. Lace washi tape. Oh, even better, it's lace. Okay. Let's open one of these anyway. Trying to get it started. Oh, pretty. Pretty, pretty. I know, even though there's several projects in here, I am going to start on the purples first. So I'll be back to show you something I've made with the purples. And then we have some tags, very beautiful tags. We've got some butterflies. Have any of you ever done one of these mystery boxes? Make a comment below and let me know, because I mean, I just think this is so fun. This is the first time I've done it. I heard someone talking about it there at the booth, and I love a good mystery too, so I was all for it. Put these back in so they don't get all mixed up, which I'm good at doing. Okay, then we have some vintage, I can't even read the writing, that's good font there. Whitewash chipboard frames and bits. Nice frames there. They're kind of chipboard. Ooh, I have some peacock paper. This would go with my peacock paper. So it's teal acetate assortment. Very nice. Let's look at these. It says total of 74 pieces, 2 of each design. We just want to look at this stuff, don't we? I've had a lot of fun playing with this. It's going to take me a while to make all these projects. Here I envisioned I was going to have it was going to be all one project and I could show you tomorrow, but I don't think that's the case. So we got some butterflies. Aren't they pretty? So pretty. Little acetate pieces. Oh. Okay. Oh wow. Look at all these pretties. More purple. Purple is my favorite color. Oh, these are lavender collage sets. I love collage too. Let's see. Put this back where it belongs. It's running away. Let's see. Oh, let's go this way. Oh yeah. Pretty. We got butterflies, some botanicals. Oh, musical notes. Love musical notes. This is like, it's like junk journaling kind of stuff too, and I love to junk journal. Oh, look at those butterflies. Ah, so pretty. Ooh, I love the vintage. Oh, look at the map. Isn't that cool? Street map. Very, very cool. I will definitely have fun playing with these. It's going to take me a while to use all this stuff up. Most definitely. Here we've got 6x8 painted foundation collection pack. Very artful here. Lots of paint. Almost mixed media looking, which is just fine by me. I have a wide array of what I like to scrapbook, so I don't like get stuck in just one type of scrapbooking. I like all of it. I like the real artsy stuff. I like the more cutesy stuff, vintage, retro. All right. We have the Rouge Cluster Kit. So pretty. Oh, I love this kind of stuff. I just love it. These are little cardboard punch outs. And then we've got some string and little clips and buttons. Oh, how fun. Oh, tickets. Yes. These are going to be quite fun. And I looked on their website because I was wondering if they sold these. I don't think, now I'm getting confused because I also looked at other websites because I know Heidi Swap has them on hers, and so does, there was another one I found. But I don't think I found them on 49 and Market. I'll look again so I can tell you because I was looking real quick. And but because I thought I'm gonna start ordering some of these. Oh, let's see, Echo Park. Echo Park has them for $35. It said $75 value for $35. Look at these vintage washi tapes. Oh my goodness. This is very thick tape. Very thick. Very sticky. That's great. This, oh, I can definitely use this. Most definitely. Then we've got some Christmas washi tape stickers. Washi tape stickers. Look at those. Very nice. So it's just kind of like the images of stickers. Now, they are actually stickers. Okay, I wasn't sure. It kind of looked like it was all in a roll, but not in the camera. There we go. How cute is that? Okay, so I might have been off camera. I'm sorry if I was. I got so excited. So we, if I missed the last ones, we've got some Christmas washi tape stickers, and hopefully you saw these gorgeous things. I don't think I was that far off camera. Aren't they pretty? Washi tape, very thick washi tape. Okay. Then we have more tickets, ticket essentials, 3 rolls. It must be more washi tape. Yep. More. Oh, they do look just like tickets. How cool is that? That is so cool. Got some little ticket washi tape. Then these are stamps and tickets. Oh. So cool. Alrighty. Then we have, it just goes on, doesn't it? It goes on and on. We have some 45 mix and match die cut pieces. Love die cut pieces. Let's see what, oh, there you can kind of see them on the back. I would kind of call that kind of botanical. Yes. Lots of flowers. There's some, we'll go ahead and open them because there's some vintage ladies in here too. You know I love my vintage ladies. Not sure why. I love retro and vintage. Love, love. Oh, it's got some handwriting. It's good for junk journaling. Where's some of those cool pieces? Thought I saw. There we go. Isn't that cool? I don't know why I'm having trouble finding the camera. There we go. Isn't that cool? All right. Oh, this is pretty, pretty, pretty. And here's a lady. Here's one of the ladies. Ooh, so pretty. Okay. Try not to get any of this out of order, but there we go. We have fly rub-ons. I was looking at the rub-on. I've never really, have any of you scrapbooked with rub-ons? I have not, but I was noticing a lot of those when I was at this convention and expo. There were a lot of different booths that had the rub-on, so I'm happy to give this a try. Very happy. So this is a nice little travel one. Very cool. Okay, then we have some more Christmas paper. Oh, actually has a little tool to use the rub-ons. So this is 12 by 12 Christmas Spectacular Color Wash Rub-On Transfer Sheet. Oh, so these go on your paper. So these designs, and you use this. I'm gonna have to read the instructions on that. I may come back and use this on camera sometime when we get a little closer to Christmas. I have to be in the Christmas spirit to scrapbook Christmas. I don't know about y'all, but I do. I just don't do it out of season. Okay, then we've got some gorgeous things in here. 49 M Market. I mean, you know what? $59, so it's $60 basically, but $60 for all of this? What do y'all think? I mean, I think it's a deal, a bargain. The only thing is you don't know what you're getting, so you have to hope you're gonna like it. So far, I love everything. I mean, would I have picked some of the things? Would I have just gone ahead and purchased them on my own? No. So that's kind of what is good. It gets you out of your comfort zone and makes you try new things. Pretty. These look like little boxes. Yeah, make little boxes out of these. We've got our bingo cards. You gotta have bingo cards for Christmas scrapbooking, right? I'm not sure why, but we all do that. I'm keeping this together, I promise. Then we got more punch outs. Love that. And we got us some birds. Oh, this isn't Christmas. I thought it looked like Christmas on some of them. It was. Aren't they pretty? Birds and butterflies. More birds and butterflies. Some of these are a little different. Awesome. Got a hummingbird. Time clock there. What else? We got us some sayings here. Happiest, delightful, and then just some regular papers. And they are double-sided. Oh, look, we got an actual layout there. All right, let's look at these. So that's the back. So you could either use the back or you could go ahead and use their layout. And then we've got, oh, that's that thick. Then we've got another one. You could use that or the back. I mean, this is definitely more than $59 worth. Very pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay. Oh, and it shows you here how to put it together. Very pretty. Okay. And sometimes I don't follow the suggestions and I just do it my own way, which is fine. More pretty. Aren't they gorgeous? So we've got some flowers and kind of a collage type paper. Same here, background collage. And then this one, this is the one I was oohing and awing over. I love this type of paper. And the colors are my colors. Oh, this is cool. This is like a vintage library card on that paper. And, ooh, it just goes on and on. These are cut. We could either cut these out or use it as a whole paper. I will probably cut them out. Lovely. Oh, isn't this cool? Let's turn it this way. Yep. Okay. And then, got some more hummingbirds. My mother loves hummingbirds, so I will definitely, make something for my mom out of this one. And she loves green, so it's just perfect. She loves green and my grandson loves green. My granddaughter and I love purple. More hummingbirds. Just beautiful. Very artistic. And we're down to the last page. Aren't they gorgeous? So this is definitely far worth far more than $59 in my opinion. So I say it's a success, and I'm going to make something and then I will show you my project. And as I make the other ones, I'll come back on and show you. So anyway, thank you for watching. It was a lot of fun.